Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to increase the duration of this composition. Okay, let's start. Let's open our music composition and import audio file here. I will use mixtape with about 25 minutes. So after importing we need to delete all other layers and we need to increase the duration of this composition. In my case, I will increase up to 26 minutes. Go to composition settings and 26. It's a little bit longer than my audio, but I will fix it easily. Just go to the end of our audio. I use Shift key and change out point of work area like this and press trim comb to work area. Okay, fine. Now we need copy this duration from timecode, copy, and go back to YouTube composition and change the duration of this composition. Go to composition settings and paste our copied time code, Command V or Control V. Okay. Now we see that after 5 minutes, almost the whole our layers will disappear. Let's fix it and fit them to composition duration. To do that, first of all, we need to unhide and show all our layers. Press this button. Now you see there are a lot of other layers. So select all of these layers, Command A, and let's stretch them to the end of the composition. To do that, I will use Alt and right bracket. Okay, now you see that some of the layers were not stretched. To fix that, select all these layers and right click time, freeze on the last frame. This means that this layer after 5 minutes will be freezed without moving, without any animation. It's okay for us, but if you want to use video inside of this media holder, for example, your cover will be with video, we need to fix it. So let's find out this layer. It's called, I guess, Media 8. Media 8. Let's delete our time remapping. Select this effect and press delete. Okay, now we see that this media disappear after 5 minutes. To fix it, go to Media 8 composition, go to composition settings and increase the duration. I will put our copied timeline code. So 25 minutes is okay. So let's zoom out and stretch our image in my case, but you can use video or you can create everything you want in this particular composition. Go back to YouTube composition and now you see that we have our cover image the same length as composition. So that's it. Now you can hide all layers. Also we need to move end of the track forward like this, and now everything works fine. So Following this step, you can increase the duration of all other compositions like IGTV or Facebook. And now you can customize the design, follow the steps in previous tutorial. That's it. Thank you.